Hello guys, welcome back, and now time to working with part 4. So let's start from the first effect of part 4. It's invert. So create a new composition and click OK. So let's write something like invert. So press S or scale up the size. And now if you need to change the color from white to black, so if you need to change from red, so what is invert of the red color? Let's try write invert in effects and presets and apply here. So invert of the red is I think cyan. Okay, the second is change color. So I think let's import this photo. Let's change the red color right here, change color, apply here and select your favorite color and change from HUE transform saturation to green to blue. So don't forget, you can change the t-shirt color, you can change the pants color and the background color. And the next is, so let me import again a new video. So I need to leave this skin color. So right here, leaf color. Leaf color is the third effect of the part 4. And go to select leaf color to leaf. Which color you want to leave? I need skin color. So let's change amount to D color. Hairs. So let's change the tolerance. So this behind colors, I think little bit much to skin color. Okay, let's go to first. Go back to your new composition and click here, write something like what? Like a Bezier warp. And then select, scale up the size and change the color to white. So if you need to change from any point of this title, write Bezier warp. So in Bezier warp you have multi points from the multi-corner. So select and control from here, Bezier warp, and control from this point and control from this point. We call this Bezier warp. So you can change from the effect control by select right top vertex like this. From the bottom right, let's delete again and let's go to liquify. I think let's import this video again. So there is a video, and right liquify, select and apply here, and there you have liquify tools. Select the first one. So if you need to control this like this, liquify, Control Z. So let's select the bottom, change the brush size, go to brush size, change the size of the brush. Here you can change like a demonic effect and change. So there is the percentage of the liquify, change to 0. So if you need to change to 100, 200 to make zombies effect, demons effect by using liquify. So another and important effect is So I think time to work in sixth effect, that is magnify. First, let me go to Window, Workspace, Reset, and click here, right, magnify, apply here. There is a point, change the point here and set somewhere, and change the shape of the magnify to square, circle, magnification, change it like this. And there is the length. It's about size, about feather, like this. Click OK. So delete again. And the seventh is offset. Select again your video image and right here, offset. Select and drop here and control from there. So how to use the offset? Select the shift center to. I need a little bit move from center to there. We call this offset. You can use this in transitions effect. So select again and delete. The 8 effects. The most important is optics. Right, optics, compensation. Select and apply here and change to like a CRT television and play. Make it CRT television. Okay, so if you need to use reverse, here is the reverse. Looks like a fisheye camera lens. Fisheye. Okay, let's select again and delete. And the next part is so remove grain. So if you need to make more soft skin for your video, right here, remove grain. Select and apply here and change to final output. Take a look to the skin and go to noise reduction, and there you can change the noise reduction rate, change the passes to 5. And now if you need to turn off, you can see the result of the remove grain. So take a look to the skin and go to effect control, click on effect to remove. You can see a little bit difference. Take a look here and turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. Okay, delete again. And the next is add grain. So if you need to add grain effect, select and drop here. Add grain. There the add grain and change from preview to final output to all video. You can see very small dots like a noise. Okay, delete again this one. And the next is dust and noise. So if you need to use dust and noise, so dust and noise or scratch, no matter. Here the about radius, make the rate to 15 or 10 about the threshold and wait for the result. Here is the result. So if you need to use this on some text logo, let's delete again. And the next, the 12 effect is about basic 3D. Right here, basic 3D, double click, and there you can change and change. Right. So don't forget you can use this effect in Premiere Pro too. Control about the distance. So you can make keyframes, you can control, you can turn on the stopwatch to make animate in basic 3D effect. Delete again. And the next, lighting, right here, lighting. So where is the lighting? Lighting. There we have the lighting effect. And set the first point and set another point there and play the video. Take a look at the lighting effect. So if you need to control or change the colors of the lighting, change by clicking on the blue color to change. So control, or you can animate the start point, end point of the lighting. So control the details level of the lighting and control the speeds, control the weight, height, so everything. Let's delete again this effect. And the next is radio, shadow, and wave word. So let me write something here, like a shadow. Write shadow, select all, and change the color to dark red, and make big size, and go to effects and presets. Right, radio, shadow. Select and apply here. There you have the radial shadow. So here is you can control the radial shadow of softness. From here, change the softness rate, and here you can control the opacity about the color of the shadow, and there is about the softness and the render glass age. So find the distance. There's the distance to make behind of the text. So control the softness more, smooth shadow. Delete again and go to another effect. Right here, the wave word, and double click. The wave word works like a simulation. So you can use this one on 3D. Select the new camera, set the camera 24. Okay, and select the orbit, control let's see, hide map, wireframe. Let's create another new solid, change the color. The most important point about in this effect, change the color, and double click the wave word and delete the text, and select the camera control. Let's see, go to turn on the 3D from here, the simulation solid. So let's see there, control from the left, right, up, down, and about the ground. So about the sharp, height, and producer, change to line. So if you need to change the ring, and there is about the scale, change the scales, brightness, contrast. Okay, what's next? Scatterize motion tile. Turn on again the video, select, and right here, motion tile. If you need to add more this video to the background, looks like a pattern, apply here and change the rate of the weight and the height like this. We call this motion tile, and you can use for the background like concretes, brakes, grass patterns. Delete and write another effect, scatterize. There is the CC, scatterize. Double click and go to scatterize, make rate to 32, looks like a particles, and control the right twist from here. So control the transport mode to screen or add. So delete again. And the next is cartoon timecode echo. So right here, the cartoon effect that will make image to cartoon colors. So you can control by going to effect control and click on the cartoon effects, change to fill, change to age. So if you need to use age and fill, select and control the details of the threshold by changing the rate in 30, 20, like this. Control the shading, smoothness, threshold, softness to make like cartoon effects. So delete again. And the next is time code and echo. Right, echo and play. This effect will allow you to make like a flash effect. From the one hand moving to use this effect, show you 2 hands, 3 hands moving. Change 3 and control from add to maximum and play. Let's take a look. There you can see the space between the hands, and there about the equal time seconds. Play again and see. So guys, if you need to see the best result of the echo, use this echo on car motion, car moving on the road, and apply this effect on that footage. You can see the best result of this effect. And final, the next is about the time code. Right here, time code, select and apply here. So there you can see the time code effect. Turn off. Take a look here. Here's the time code effect. So you can set here and change and text size there, and now you're in second to 15 frames. The time code will show you the movie or the video times. It means you are in second and 2 seconds, 15 frames. So if you play your video, there you can see the 13 seconds, 9 frames. There is in composition 13 seconds in 9 frames. So about the control, to change the color of the text, the backgrounds, and you can change the time source. So, okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about part 4 of the top 100 effects and plugins. Let's go to next part.